how to fix FaceTime not working on iPhone. If you're having trouble making FaceTime work on your iPhone, there could be many reasons why this could actually be happening. Now, first of all, what you can try to do is check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or so on and see if that actually helps to solve the problem. You also want to make sure that you've enabled FaceTime in settings. So open up settings and you'll see many options right here, right? Go to the option that says apps, as you can see right here. Once you go to apps, look for the FaceTime app. Under the FaceTime app, make sure you have enabled FaceTime. So sometimes this option could have been disabled. Turn on FaceTime and you can check a couple of other options right here as well. And that should most likely help you solve the problem. So if you're trying to also FaceTime someone, you want to make sure that the person that you're trying to FaceTime also has the FaceTime app available and that they're using iPhone and not Android, because possibly it is not possible to FaceTime on Android, right? So you want to make sure they're an iPhone user as well. Hopefully after you do this, your problem will be solved. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in our next video.